Are you unknowingly poisoning your kidneys every single day? It's a scary thought, but the truth is, many of us are, and we don't even realize it. Our kidneys work tirelessly, filtering waste and toxins from our blood, but with the amount of processed food and environmental pollutants we're exposed to, they're often overworked and overwhelmed. But what if I told you that there are delicious, natural ways to support your kidney health and give them the TLC they deserve? And what if I said you could do this right from your breakfast plate? That's right, we're talking about the power of fruit. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of kidney-loving fruits, uncovering 3 breakfast superstars that can help detoxify, cleanse, and revitalize these vital organs. Get ready to transform your morning routine and give your kidneys the gift of health. Get ready to be amazed because our first kidney-saving superhero is none other than the mighty blueberry. Don't let their small size fool you. These little gems are packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are like tiny troublemakers that can damage our cells, including those in our kidneys. But blueberries, with their vibrant blue hue, come to the rescue. They contain a specific type of antioxidant called anthocyanins, known for their incredible ability to neutralize these troublemakers. But that's not all. Blueberries are also naturally low in potassium, a mineral that needs to be carefully monitored when it comes to kidney health. For people with kidney issues, high potassium levels can be problematic, but blueberries offer a delicious and safe way to enjoy a flavorful fruit without worry. So how can you incorporate these tiny powerhouses into your breakfast routine? It's simple. Sprinkle a handful on your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a delicious and refreshing snack. Every juicy bite is a step towards healthier kidneys. But wait, there's more. Blueberries are incredibly versatile. You can add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or even bake them into muffins for a kidney-friendly treat. The possibilities are endless. Remember, taking care of your kidneys is crucial for overall health and well-being. And with blueberries on your plate, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. So embrace the power of the blueberry and watch your kidney health flourish. Now, let's talk about cranberries, a fruit often associated with urinary tract health. But did you know they're also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys? It's true. Cranberries possess a unique secret weapon, a compound called proanthocyanidins, or PACs for short. These PACs are like tiny guardians for your urinary tract, preventing harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of your kidneys and bladder. Think of them as a natural defense system, keeping those unwanted invaders at bay. And here's the fascinating part. By protecting your urinary tract, cranberries indirectly support your kidneys' workload. You see, when your urinary tract is healthy, your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter out bacteria and toxins. It's a win-win situation. But that's not all cranberries have up their sleeve. They're also a good source of vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Plus, they're low in potassium, making them a safe and delicious choice for those mindful of their potassium intake. Now, you might be wondering, how can I enjoy the kidney-boosting benefits of cranberries? Well, cranberry juice is a popular option, but be mindful of added sugars. Look for unsweetened or low-sugar varieties. You can also enjoy cranberries in their dried form, toss them into salads, or add them to trail mixes for a tangy and nutritious snack. And if you're feeling adventurous, try incorporating them into sauces or relishes for a unique flavor twist. Remember, incorporating cranberries into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to support both your urinary tract and kidney health. So go ahead, raise a glass of cranberry juice, unsweetened of course, to happy and healthy kidneys. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or so the saying goes. But did you know that apples also hold a special place in the world of kidney health? It's true. These humble fruits are packed with nutrients that can help protect and support your kidneys in amazing ways. First and foremost, apples are an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about fiber? Well, soluble fiber, in particular, acts like a sponge in your digestive system, binding to waste products and toxins, including those that can burden your kidneys. By helping to eliminate these waste products efficiently, apples indirectly reduce the workload on your kidneys, allowing them to function optimally. It's like giving your kidneys a much-needed break, but that's not all. Apples are also a good source of pectin, a type of soluble fiber that has been linked to lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol can put a strain on your kidneys, so by helping to manage cholesterol, apples indirectly protect these vital organs. And here's an interesting fact. Apples are also a natural diuretic, meaning they can help flush out excess water and waste products from your body, further supporting kidney function. So how can you incorporate more apples into your diet? It's easy. Enjoy a whole apple as a snack, slice them into your breakfast cereal, or add them to smoothies for a boost of flavor and nutrition. You can also bake apples into muffins, cakes, or pies, but remember to use healthy substitutes for sugar and unhealthy fats. And for a warm and comforting treat, try stewed apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Delicious and kidney-friendly. Remember, incorporating apples into your diet is a simple yet effective way to show your kidneys some love. So go ahead, take a bite of an apple and experience the deliciousness of good health. Give your kidneys a fighting chance. So there you have it. 3 incredible fruits that can easily be incorporated into your breakfast routine to support your kidney health. Remember, these tiny nutritional powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber that can help detoxify, protect, and revitalize your kidneys. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of natural remedies and lifestyle changes that can dramatically impact your kidney health. Don't wait for problems to arise. Take control of your health today. Did you find this video helpful? Hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Let's create a ripple effect of healthy habits. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Your journey to healthier kidneys starts now.